In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect Twitter, YouTube, and N8N for seamless automation. Start by opening your N8N workspace and go to the Credentials section. Click Create New and select Twitter as your credential type. For authentication, choose OAuth 2. This secure protocol lets N8N access your Twitter account without sharing your password. You will need your client ID, client secret, and callback UL, all available from the Twitter developer platform after registering your app. Make sure to enter them accurately. Next, click Connect. This will open the Twitter authorization screen. Log in with the correct account and grant permissions. These permissions allow N8N to read tweets, post tweets, and access other data as needed. Once authorized, your Twitter account is successfully linked to N8N. Now you can automate tweets, monitor activity, or integrate Twitter with other apps, unlocking a powerful new workflow. And that's it, your Twitter automation is ready.